Zij drinkt tequila en margarita. Nie moet niet verder wakker, geen is zij Cecisa. Zij drinkt tequila en margarita. Nie moet niet haar wakker, geen zij zal je pizza. Oh, Tina, Tina, Tina kan tequila's. Ja, Tina, 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 lekker slaas liefde. En Tina, Tina, Tina is verleidelijk. Die leven van die party, zij is tijdelijk. Zij zal je wat, net zoals Cecilia Moon. Zij zal je kat, net zoals tequila doen. Zij zal je schop, maar voor je jou kan krijgen, dan zoek je nog. Zij drinkt tequila en margarita. Je moet niet verder wakker, geen is zij Cecisa. Zij drinkt tequila en margarita. Je moet niet haar wakker, geen zij zal je pizza. Oh, Tina, Tina, Tina kan tequila's. Ja, Tina, 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 lekker slaas liefde. En Tina, Tina, Tina is verleidelijk. Die leven van die party, zij is tijdelijk. Oh, tequila. Zij zal je brengen, met haar is ook erbij. En als je kijkt, gooi zij de tas voorbij. Zij zal je vloer, en voor je jou kan krijgen, geen wil zijn. Jou. Zij drinkt tequila en margarita. Je moet niet verder wakker, geen is zij Cecisa. Zij drinkt tequila en margarita. Je moet niet haar wakker, geen zij zal je pizza. Oh, Tina, Tina, Tina kan tequila's. Ja, Tina, 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 lekker slaas liefde. En Tina, Tina, Tina is verleidelijk. Die leven van die party, zij is tijdelijk. Oh, tequila. Oh, Tina, Tina, Tina kan tequila's. Ja, Tina, 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 lekker slaas liefde. En Tina, Tina, Tina is verleidelijk. Die leven van die party, zij is tijdelijk. Oh, tequila.
Let's learn Tina Tequila. It's choreographed by Ivonne Verhagen. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Tina Tequila. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do side together, side, touch to the right and the left. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, step your right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. Now there is styling option for that part if you would like. When you do your side together, you can shimmy your shoulders as you do your side together, side touch. So let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do cross points. So we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly over our left. Point your left toe to the left side. Step your left foot forward and slightly over your right and point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a jazz box quarter turn. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and then step your left foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping with your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to head into the diagonals doing side together, side touch. Now when we step with the right, you're going to angle your body to the left. When you step with the left, you're going to angle your body to the right. So stepping with our right foot into the diagonal, we're going to angle our body towards the left. Step your left next to your right. Step your right foot to the right side and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to angle our body to the right. You're going to step your left foot into the left diagonal. Step your right next to your left. Step your left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left. So you want to think that you're making like an eighth of a turn with your body, but you're stepping into that diagonal, and then you are doing the opposite, making that quarter as you step into the diagonal. So let's try that with some counts, and then we'll talk about some extra styling that you can do for that part. Weight is on your left, stepping into the right diagonal, angling to the left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you would like, you can roll your hips when you step. So when you step with the right, you'll roll your hips from left to right, from left to right. Then you will do it from right to left, from right to left. So you're just kind of like rolling your hips as you do it if you would like. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to make an 8 turn over our left shoulder square back into the 3 o'clock wall, and we're going to do a right mambo step. So we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, step back with your right and hold. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, right together, left forward, and hold. And then you'll be ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left or slightly angled to the right. You're going to make that 8th turn as you do your mambo step. So it's 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left or stepping to the right. So it's side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Cross point, jazz box quarter, turn diagonal, side together, side touch, diagonal, side together, side touch. 8 mambo step, hold, coaster step, hold. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're stepping to the right, so it's side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Cross point, jazz box quarter turn, diagonal side together, side touch, diagonal side together, side touch, mambo step, hold, coaster step, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Cross point, jazz box quarter, turn diagonal, side together, side touch, side together, side touch. Mambo step, hold, coaster step, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Tina Tequila. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Say drink tequila and margarita, nie mu nie para bater, nie say sisa.